Welcome back today. It's me, Beto G. I'm going to be making Tonga trap beat today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that time I drop new videos you get notified. I'm going to be making Tonga trap beat. That's the trap beat I'm going to be making today. So I'm just going to explain how to launch your FL Studio. When launching your FL Studio, make sure you just put your cursor on your FL Studio app and right click and press open. But for now, I've already launched my FL Studio. So you just put your cursor like this if you have already launched your FL Studio and just click open. That's it. The next step is I'll click on my channel rack, click on add, and click on my. I'm going to pick a plugin that I'm going to use to create this trap beat. I'm going to pick today Citrus. When you pick your Citrus, put your cursor like this. Here on this empty space, after number 4, you put your cursor on this empty space, you left click and hold the left click button on your mouse. Turn the mouse wheels to channel 5. Put back your cursor on this Citrus. Here, where my cursor is shaking like this, you right click and press open. I'll start programming my Tonga trap beat. I'll first of all program my first 2 bars, then copy right to bars number 8. As you can see, I've programmed my first 2 bars. Let's just play the first 2 bars. Now, this is my 2 bars, 1 and 2, which is, after programming my 1 and 2 bar, I'll put my cursor after, that is at the starting on my 3 bar. Just put my cursor, this is my cursor here. I'll just left click and hold my left click button, highlight it to the left like this. Another way to highlight it is to just press Ctrl and A. This is the highlight, and just press Ctrl and B to copy it. But I'm going to use the normal steps. Just left click, hold it, highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B several times. That's it. The next step is I'm going to program my bass melodies. These are my bass melodies like this. These are my bass melodies. Now I'm going to tweak these melodies up here. When programming a beat, follow the steps I'm teaching you today, because I'm going into details. I'll make sure I go to the mixing steps, to the arranging of your beat, to the mixing of your beat. Today is details. I'll take my time today to teach how to mix and master your beat. As you can see, I've programmed my bass melodies. These are my bass melodies. As you can see, these are my bass melodies. I'm going to tweak this. The other melodies are up. I'll just like rearrange it, tweak it. I'll just tweak it. I'll just tweak it. Tweak it. I'll tweak this one. Tweak it. Good. This now. The next step is I'll click back on my channel rack, click on add, click on Boo Bars. Make sure you follow along. Beto G is me. I teach the basic steps for new beginners. After, put your cursor like this, left click and hold it, turn your mouse wheels to channel 6. That is channel 6. Now, right click and press piano roll. Or just like program my, make sure you align your note to end here at this line. Just come down again, another next line, randomly like this. Make sure don't make your beat random anyhow. Just make it. These are my bass note, which are another plugin that I've picked, and it's called Boo Bars. Very simple, and that's okay. This is my hi-hat. Hear the way it sound. I'm going to like put my cursor here on top of my hi-hat, just right click, then just come here, click piano roll and open my piano. Is it okay? As you can see, this is my 1 bar, my 2 bar, which is, if you look at this 1 bar, this is my 1 bar where this hand is pointed at 1 and 2. It is subdivided into other columns and rows, which are here. Let's just count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which number 8 is ending at 2. Now we are just going to program inside this 1 bar here. I'm just going to program at this 1 bar, program it like this, like this, like this, and it's okay. After doing so, we are just going to left click and hold it, highlight to left, just press Ctrl and B, right to bars number 8, and that's okay. Yeah. Snare, my snare on my channel rack is at channel 4. I'll just put my cursor here, right click and press piano roll. I'll just like, yeah, I'll just at the starting of my 1 bar, at the end of my 2nd bar, number 3 bar, number 4 bar, number 5 bar, number 6 bar, number 7 bar, number 8 bar, and that's okay. The next step is, this is my kick. I'll just like, this is my kick at the top left corner on my FSG. I will left click and hold it, drag it to channel rack, right click on my mouse, press piano roll, and this is my piano to start programming my kick. And this is how my kick sound. And this is 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar, 5 bar, 6 bar, 7 bar, 8 bars. I'll start programming my kick inside my bars like this, not randomly, normally. Just follow along. Don't forget to subscribe. If you follow my channel, you will know how to play a beat. For new beginners, you will just learn very quickly. That's it. I'm just programming inside my bars like this, not randomly, anyhow. After doing so, I'll click back on my kick. I'll just put my cursor here, click. This is my icon, click. Just turn the button up, right up, but not much. At like, let me say 38%, and that's okay. Now let's go to the mixing. At channel 5, with my channel 5 on my mixer, my first melody, I'll click on slot 1, add the fruity parametric EQ2. Slot 2, I'll add the fruity limiter. Slot 3, I'll add a fruity compressor. Okay, the other melody. Slot 1, I'll add a fruity limiter. Slot 2, I will add a fruity multiband compressor. Let's go back to channel rack. This is our channel rack here, which is sub-linked to our mixer, and it's on equal channel. On our hi-hat, let's go to our mixer, channel 3, this is here, which on our channel rack is also linked to channel 3 of our mixer. This is our mixer here. We are going to click on slot 1, add a sound with nicer. That's it. It's okay. That's it. On snare, let's go to our mixer. Our snare is on channel rack is in channel 8. On our mixer is in channel 4 as equal. Now on channel 4, if you go to our channel rack, it will also link at channel 4. I'm going to click on slot 1 and add a fruity parametric EQ2. And that's all about our mixing, which are the basics. From there you can know everything. From there you can mix your beat however you want it and how it sounds good. And make sure when you want to mix your beat, let it sound good in your ears. Now this is our playlist. I'll just click on this icon here like this, pattern 1. I'll put my cursor here, right click, and just click here, split by channel. As you can see, everything we have programmed has appeared on the top left corner on my FSO, the kick, the hi-hat, the snare, the citrus, the bull bars. I'll click on my kick, click back on my playlist. When clicking, make sure you use these tools up here. draw is to make sure if you come here and click on this draw, then you come here and click on hi-hat, and then come here, this here on track 2. Just make sure you time it, let it align. Just click on like this, click on your snare, click on your playlist, click on your first melody, click on your playlist, click on your boo bars, and click on your playlist like this. The next step, when you want to like press, we want to highlight it, or you like want to press Ctrl and A, but the best way is to come here and just click on select, put your cursor here at the ending of channel 8 or bar 8, left click and hold it, then just drag it to the left. Where you left click and hold it, drag your mouse to the left, and then you press Ctrl and B several times to make your beat longer according to the way you want it. That's it. I'll just watch it. I'll just press Ctrl and B, and that's it. As you can see, I've made my beat longer. I will make sure I remove the kick, I remove the hi-hat, I remove the snare. After doing so, I also put my cursor like this, left click and hold it, highlight it to the left, and press Ctrl and B. I've extended my beat up to 79. I've extended my beat up to 79. After doing so, I'll click on my side truss, extend my beat again to outro from 81 to 85. This is my outro. I'll click my boo bars, extend my beat from 81 to 85, and that's my outro. From 25 to 33, I'm going to remove the hi-hat. From 65 to 73, I'm going to remove the hi-hat. I'll do my cursor like this, right click, and that's okay. The next step is I'll go back on my channel rack. As you can see, my hi-hat is on channel 3, my snare is on channel 4. I'll go back on my mixer, which I will just click here. On channel 3, I will right click and just create automation clip. On channel 4, I will right click and create automation clip. Let's go back to our playlist. I'll click here. This is it. This is the automation volume. This is to make sure the automation control your beat, control your volume automatically without you like turning up or reducing. And it's okay like this. Now let's listen to our Tonga trap beat from the starting to the end, and wait another video tomorrow, a better video in full details. This is in full details, but not completely in full details. Now let's listen and let's go. Thank you so much for watching how to make Tonga Trabi. See you tomorrow in another video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so anytime I drop new videos, you will get notified. Thank you so much and bye.